Mariko. Today I'm going to show you how to make garlic butter for popcorn. I absolutely love garlic butter on my popcorn because it gives a really spicy kick to the traditional favorite. To get started, I have some melted butter and I'm going to put about 1/4 of a stick into a small bowl. Then I am going to add my garlic. This is going to be about 1 teaspoon of refrigerated garlic paste. I like using the fresh kind because it gives it an extra kick, but you could also use some powdered garlic as well, and it would give the same garlic butter intensity. Now I'm just going to put some popcorn in a bowl, about a couple cups worth here. Then I'm going to drizzle my garlic butter over my popcorn. While you're pouring it over, make sure to toss it a little bit to make sure that the butter evenly coats the popcorn. Make sure all the garlic gets in there. And now I'm just going to toss it well. Now I'm just going to put my popcorn in a little container to serve. This is Mariko showing you how to make garlic butter for popcorn. Enjoy.